Maximizing greenery in limited spaces, garden ideas for small areas. In today's urban landscape, many individuals find themselves facing a common challenge: limited outdoor spaces. However, just because you have a small area doesn't mean you can't enjoy the beauty of nature and the benefits of greenery. With the right garden ideas and innovative approaches, you can maximize the greenery in your limited space, transforming it into a vibrant oasis. In this article, we will explore various techniques such as vertical gardening, container gardening, and balcony gardens, to help you make the most of your small area. Vertical gardening, utilizing vertical spaces. Vertical gardening is an excellent solution for small areas, as it allows you to use the vertical space available to you. Consider installing vertical planters or hanging baskets on walls, fences, or even balcony railings. This technique not only adds greenery but also creates a visually appealing display. Choose plants that thrive in vertical environments, such as climbing vines, cascading flowers, or herbs. By thinking vertically, you'll maximize your garden's potential while saving precious floor space. Container gardening, flexibility in a limited space. Container gardening is a versatile option for those with limited areas. It allows you to plant a variety of flowers, herbs, or even vegetables in containers of different shapes and sizes. Utilize hanging baskets, window boxes, or planters to create a dynamic and visually pleasing arrangement. Choose plants that suit your space, such as dwarf varieties or those that can be easily pruned and kept compact. Container gardening gives you the flexibility to move or rearrange your plants as needed, making it ideal for small areas. Urban gardening, bringing nature to the city. Urban gardening is a growing trend that brings greenery to urban environments. Make use of unused spaces such as rooftops, balconies, or even windowsills to create a mini garden. Consider installing vertical hydroponic systems, which use water instead of soil, allowing you to grow plants indoors without the need for extensive space. Urban gardening not only adds beauty to your surroundings but also contributes to a sustainable and eco-friendly lifestyle. Balcony gardens, creating a serene outdoor retreat. If you have a balcony, transforming it into a garden can provide a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Choose compact plants and utilize vertical space by installing hanging planters or trellises. Create a cohesive theme with carefully selected pots and incorporate seating arrangements for a cozy outdoor experience. Whether it's a few potted plants or a lush vertical garden, your balcony can become a green oasis where you can relax and unwind. Indoor plants, bringing nature inside. Don't limit yourself to outdoor spaces, indoor plants can also contribute to a greener environment. Choose low-light plants or those that thrive in indoor conditions, such as snake plants, pothos, or peace lilies. Utilize shelves, windowsills, or hanging planters to maximize space and create a visually appealing indoor garden. Indoor plants not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home but also improve air quality and promote a sense of well-being. Maximizing greenery in limited spaces is an achievable goal with the right garden ideas and creative approaches. Whether it's through vertical gardening, container gardening, urban gardening, balcony gardens, or indoor plants, there are numerous options to transform your small area into a lush oasis. By incorporating these techniques and utilizing innovative solutions, you can create a beautiful and sustainable environment that brings the benefits of nature to your doorstep. Embrace the challenge and let your limited space blossom with greenery and beauty. In urban landscapes where space is a luxury, cultivating a lush and vibrant garden may seem like an impossible dream. However, with the right garden ideas and innovative techniques, you can transform even the smallest of areas into a green oasis. This article explores various strategies such as vertical gardening, container gardening, and balcony gardens to maximize greenery in limited spaces. By embracing these ideas, you can bring the beauty of nature into your surroundings and create a sustainable and visually appealing environment. Vertical gardening, a vertical delight. Introduction to vertical gardening. Utilizing wall space with vertical planters. Hanging baskets for vertical greenery. Trellises and espaliers for climbing plants. Incorporating vertical structures for green screens. Container gardening, beauty in small packages. Advantages of container gardening. Choosing the right containers for small spaces. Selecting the ideal plants for container gardening. Layering and stacking containers for visual appeal. Maintaining container gardens for longevity. Urban gardening, greening the concrete jungle. Understanding urban gardening. Roofed-up gardens, creating a sky-high sanctuary. Community gardens, collaborative green spaces. Window box gardens, bringing nature indoors. Utilizing unused spaces for guerrilla gardening. Balcony gardens, nature at your doorstep. Introduction to balcony gardening. Choosing suitable plants for balcony gardens. Vertical planters for balconies. Creating a cozy seating area with greenery. Water features and outdoor decor for balcony gardens. Indoor plants, greening your indoors. Benefits of indoor plants. Selecting low-maintenance indoor plants. Vertical indoor gardens, utilizing wall space. Hanging planters for indoor greenery. Proper care and maintenance of indoor plants. In conclusion, limited spaces should never limit your ability to enjoy the beauty of greenery. By embracing garden ideas such as vertical gardening, container gardening, urban gardening, balcony gardens, and indoor plants, you can transform even the smallest areas into thriving green paradises. Whether you have a tiny balcony or a compact room, there are endless possibilities to infuse your surroundings with the freshness of nature. Remember, sustainable landscaping practices and a touch of creativity can go a long way in maximizing greenery in limited spaces. So, let the magic of gardening bring life and vitality to your everyday environment. Start today and witness the transformative power of greenery in your small area.